Hello everyone, this is Sam from SaberiSixRealEstate and Remax Realtron Realty Inc. As always, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to quickly discuss the fact that the government has decided to extend the small business loan. This is not to be confused with the commercial rental assistance program. That's not what this is. This is the small business loan. Legally, it's called CEBA, Canadian Emergency Business Account, and it's been extended and expanded until October 31st of 2020. If you were not familiar, this is the $55 billion program that provides interest-free loans up to $40,000 to small businesses. Along with the fact that it's interest-free, there's another cool aspect of this program, which is if you were to pay back your loan, your principal amount, upwards of $40,000, prior to the date of December 31st of 2022, you actually get somewhat of a rebate, like a 10% forgiveness of the loan. So you only have to honestly pay back 90% of the loan if you pay it back before that certain date, which once again is December 31st. But along with this extension actually and this expansion, there is a couple of new features. So there's more space, and the criteria has been expanded for further eligibility. So for instance, people in my profession, realtors, now can apply for the small business loan as long as they're realtors, not real estate agents or salespeople. Realtor is a step or a level above. It's a designation above salesperson or real estate agent, quote unquote. And now people such as realtors and service people, sole proprietors, can now apply for this loan. Whereas before it was much more difficult, and a lot of service people, a lot of sole proprietors were not able to apply for this loan if they did not have payroll. Now owner-operated small businesses without payroll can apply for this loan. And obviously part of the agreement of this loan is that the government will audit everything you do, your business, to see if you do actually qualify in terms of small business and anything else. All right, that's the quick video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, rate, and review. My contact information is in the description box. And although personally I work with residential clients, whether it be buyers, sellers, landlords, and tenants, I do work with some commercial clients, and I'm currently working with a lady, a very nice lady who's a dentist and looking to purchase a property to run her business, or perhaps lease a property to run her business. And loans like this, assistance programs like this during these times can come in handy for the small business people out there. Anyways, thank you for watching. As always, my contact information is in the description box. And yeah, hopefully that was helpful. Subscribe, comment, rate, and review, and get in touch if you want. Thanks for watching.